Misplay PayPal payout failures usually happen because the PayPal email on your reward doesn't match the email linked to your PayPal account, and the system treats it as an unverified destination instead of a valid payout. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your Misplay PayPal payout is failing, and how to fix the email mismatch so your reward actually arrives. The core issue is simple. Misplay sends PayPal rewards through an automated payout system, and PayPal only accepts funds when the email address is fully valid and linked to an active account. Start with the most common problem: spelling or formatting errors. Go to your Misplay reward confirmation and check the PayPal email carefully. Even one missing dot, letter, or extra space can cause the payout to fail. The safest move is to copy and paste the email instead of typing it manually. Next, check if you use the correct PayPal account. Many users accidentally enter a secondary email that is not actually added to their PayPal account. PayPal only accepts payments sent to emails that are fully confirmed inside your PayPal settings. Open PayPal, go to Settings, then Emails, and confirm the address you used in Misplay is listed and verified. Now check for account mismatches. If you recently changed your PayPal email, Misplay may still be sending rewards to your old one. In that case, the payout will fail or bounce back automatically. Another issue is pending verification. If your PayPal account is not fully verified, some incoming payments may be delayed or rejected depending on region rules and account status. Also, check if the reward is still processing. Misplay doesn't always send PayPal rewards instantly. Go into your reward history and confirm the status is marked as completed, not pending or processing. If everything looks correct, log out and log back into Misplay. This refreshes the reward delivery session and can re-trigger failed payouts tied to email sync issues. Last step is contacting support. If the reward shows completed but never arrives, you'll need to contact Misplay support with your reward ID so they can trace the transaction through their payout partner system. Here's the quick recap. Misplay PayPal email mismatch issues usually come from wrong or unverified emails, outdated account details, or pending reward processing. Fix it by verifying your PayPal email, copying it correctly, and checking your reward status. Your next step is simple. Open PayPal and confirm the exact email linked to your account before trying another redemption. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Misplay payout and troubleshooting fixes.